Hi there, my name's Gavin. I'm co-founder of Feedsy, and I'm here to show you about FeedsyFlash. So it all begins on your Feedsy web. So the first thing you want to do in your Feedsy Center and your Feedsy web is to either create a story or even choose one of ours to send people. The story is about movies for the school holidays. I thought that'd be a good idea to send families for the school holidays right now, rather than waiting for the Feedsy mail to arrive. Then what you want to do is, once you've created the story and sent it, you want to move it out of the way, move it out of the top 10, so when the Feedsy mail does go out, it doesn't get sent, because only the top 10 stories get sent out by FIME. But we recommend starting the story here, so the story will also get shared by your Feedsy app. Also, you'll be able to share it by social media, but all roads lead back to your Feedsy web, which then leads back to your website. Then you go to Feedsy Mail, log into your Feedsy Mail, Feedsy Mail headquarters, and you notice now there's a new thing here called campaigns, which wasn't here before. So automation is your Feedsy Mail, and campaigns, which is here, is your FeedsyFlash. So go to campaigns, and you'll see here in drafts. So there'll be drafts for when you first arrive, but later on they'll turn into sent campaigns, which will appear down here. Now we recommend that you duplicate the first one and keep this as your master. So I'm going to duplicate that. So you can duplicate any of your Feedsy flashes by clicking on it in drafts in campaign mode over here. And you see this plus sign here? You click the plus sign, and that basically duplicates it. As you can see here, I've duplicated it. See, it says copy there. Then you click on it, and now we edit it. Now the things you want to be editing is the name of the campaign. That's really for your own purposes, so you can see what you've sent. You probably want to make the subject relevant to what you're sending, so it makes it more attractive to open. So make it as less generic as possible, and make it more specific to what you're doing, and make it more interesting. Probably keep who it's from the same, and then you can actually edit the story itself, the content, the intro, and even the title of your template. So let's start here. Next, you want to change the content of the actual email itself. You can see here there's these edit buttons, there, and there. That's how you change the content. So you want to change, maybe Newsflash can be the same, but if you wanted to change Newsflash to something else, now as you can see here, that's white, and so is that. So what I recommend you do is just select your type and maybe give it a color and change it to, say, holiday ideas, say. Select it again and make it back to white. There you go, it's changed, you see, there it is. Don't change your logo, but you might want to change this message here. So again, oh, actually I should go back to here, and I should save that change. I should save the change first. Okay, now I'm going to change the message here. Again, it's white. So I'm going to select all, and I'm going to change it to black. Some ideas for the school holidays. Enjoy. There you go. Oops, it's black. It should be white. There you go. Now, the movie is already selected there, but I'll untick that. So here's all the stories in that list. So you just basically choose which stories you want to send. We recommend only sending one, because it's not Feedsy Mail, this is FeedsyFlash, where you're sending a specific message to somebody for some reason. So once you've chosen your movie, hit done, and nothing else changes. Do a preview so you can have a look at it. Good, I'm done. Turn to the snapshot. By default, you will have your list already selected. It'll be your main list, so there should be a big number there. There's only 2 because there's only a demo, but there should be quite a big number in there for you. Then you go to send it, so test and define delivery. You don't really need to send a test email, but you can if you want to. You can send one to yourself just to see what it's like. So you can put an email address in and send test, and it will say sent. There you go. You can check your email inbox and see how it looks like. or you can skip that, and then you can go next. And then you can send it. Either you can send it right now, or you can schedule it. We recommend a good time to send an email is in the morning, sort of around about breakfast time. So you want to schedule it for say 7:30 a.m. or maybe 8:30 a.m. the following morning perhaps. And then schedule, and it's gone. So that's how you do FeedsyFlash. Go back to campaigns now. You can see that there's a scheduled campaign. That'll be turned into sent campaign soon. And that's where you click on there to get all your statistics and analytics. You can see here how the master has stayed in drafts. That's how you do it. That's FeedsyFlash. Enjoy.